So today we are going to learn about low level languages and high level languages differences. So we have already made a diagram where it represents that low level language is much closer to computers and high level languages is much closer to human beings. And the reason behind that is low level languages is generally written in binary codes. Binary codes, you know that binary codes are represented using 0 and 1, right? So 0 and 1, this instruction is much closer to computers, and computers are easily able to understand the binary codes, whereas high level language is generally written in English like instructions. So when it is written in English like instructions, human beings are much easier able to relate to that language, and that is why high level language is much easier for human beings to understand, and it is written in English like instructions, and low level language is written in binary codes, that is 0 and 1. So this is one major differences, or you can see, or you can say that there are two differences formed from these two statements, right? One is it is related to computer and it is related to human being, and it is represented using binary codes, and another one is represented using English like instructions. Now debugging low level languages is a bit complicated. So debugging is, you can say, hard, tough, or complicated, whatever you want to write. So debugging low level languages is a bit complicated when it is compared to high level languages, and debugging this one, that is high level languages, is bit easy in comparison to low level languages, right? So this gives us third difference. The fourth one is going to be the example. So low level languages examples can be written as assembly level language and machine languages. So these are the examples of low level languages, and the example for high level languages includes Java, C, C++, and many other programming languages which you write in the English format is generally high level languages. So what happens is, when you write any program, for example in Java, then that English like instructions which a human has written is generally compiled and is converted to this low level language or any machine level languages representing in 0 and 1. Generally it is converted to byte code. So this byte code is actually understood by the JVM which is installed on any system. So when it is converted to this low level languages, then your computer is easily able to understand this high level language that human has written. So there is one more step where this high level language which human is writing needs to be converted to low level languages. Okay, and the another one is, so let's mark it first, 1 2 3, and this one will be fourth, and let's have another one, fifth. So developing application or app in low level language is hard, and it's not easy in comparison to high level languages, whereas developing application is easy in high level languages. So we have plotted the 5 differences between high level language and low level language, which will be sufficient for you to write in any exam, even if it is of 5 marks. So hope you have understood what we are trying to explain you, and you will be easily able to write the things in your exams. If you like the tutorial, please hit the subscribe button to help us motivate. Thank you.